Hi and welcome. In this quick video we're just going to have a look at a couple of potential areas to watch out for, specifically for sunlight that creeps into your work area. As you can see here, sunlight is now starting to come in the side of the barn and working its way along the workbench where the 3D printers are. A couple of areas really to watch out for, or a couple of things to watch out for, is any resin that you have out of its bottle. Here you can see I've just taken some resin out of a vat and it's filtering at the moment, and the sun is getting fairly close, so I need to watch out for that. And another area to watch out for is on your printers themselves. As you can see, I've got the top off on this one. So the vat and the resin inside is exposed. So if you're not careful, sunlight will creep around and catch you out. So just watch out for that. Hope that helps. See you in the next video.